Thank you.
Life is very beautiful. Life is very beautiful, and I am so happy that Manish is my favorite Indian designer.
Thank you.
And I'm the first actress who's working for him.
Ever,
So,
ever before. Nobody has walked ever in my
so
show.
yeah, he's very snooty. So I think
Yeah, it's true.
so I think for me like this is the highest point of 2016. जैसे कि मैं मनीष को बता रही थी कि मेरी कोई फिल्म रिलीज़ नहीं हुई तो मेरे लिए मनीष के लिए वॉक करना बहुत ज़्यादा एक अचीवमेंट की बात है. एंड यू कैन सी कलेक्शन इज़ सो ब्यूटीफुल. इट्स सो Indian but yet contemporary, and he's used a lot of mirror works and it's so polished, so beautiful. I mean to the T, I'd say.
Wow.
You think I don't know nothing about
I know
nothing
you know.
about fashion?
Hello.
Huh? Really, actresses know
one
nothing
second.
about fashion.
You are one of the few actresses who knows.
But ये designers को लगता है कि actresses को क्या पता fashion
She
क्या
does.
होता है.
She knows. And it's amazing, I must say, and I'm not this person at all. That the fact that I'm standing with an actress today, I'm not like that. But today I'm fine with it. I'm fine. Because she's the right one.
वॉक करी तो बहुत इंटेंस लग रही थी, ऐसा लगता है आज स्माइल भी नहीं करेंगे.
Very conscious because I think Manish's woman is all about being very strong, being very badass.
Confident. Badass, yes.
And I think that was the character, and that is what I was trying to portray.
You did. Whatever I saw on the TV, you did.
Thank you.
It's,
The best actress award winner this time.
I am not an award function. I'm not a jury.
No, because there is a lot of divided reactions going on between Sonam's performance and
okay, that's a very controversial question you're asking.
I'm not an awards jury, and I don't go for
It's
awards.
not her job.
And I don't believe in awards.
It's not your job to
I
decide
don't
who's
go
winning.
for awards, and it's not like he said. It's not my job to decide who should win. And why should I bother?
It's not her fault.
I don't care.
If anybody should win, it's her. But she hasn't had a movie, but that's fine.
Very, very nervous. I feel very nervous.
किस किस का फैशन आपको इंस्पायर करता है अगर बॉलीवुड में कहा जाए?
So you're the wrong question to ask. I'm standing right here. She has to say it's me.
I think, like I said, see, the thing is, there are so many stylish people around, and everyone's doing great these days. But there are some very special artists, and I think Manish Arora is one of them. He's really, truly our representative in international market, and he represents us so beautifully out there, and we are so proud of him. And I'm so lucky to be standing here and wearing his creation. And look at this. I mean, it's a work of art, and I'm
it
so
glows.
happy to be. Yeah, it glows, and it's so beautiful.
आपको फैशनिस्टा माना जाता है, बहुत स्टाइलिश माना जाता है. क्या कभी ऐसा होगा कि आप खुद फैशन डिजाइनर?
Well, अभी तो मुझे नहीं लग रहा कि मैं बन सकती हूँ क्योंकि
No.
because I feel that I have a long way to go, but I think if Manish
You don't need to. I'll make clothes for you.
okay, cool.
I'll
Okay,
make
yeah,
clothes
that
for
idea
you.
is dropped.
You don't need to.
Actually, the dress you are wearing is very heavy and all that. Do you like something in your personal wardrobe?
I mean, why not? It's too expensive, but I think. How much is it for?
Oh, let's not talk about that right now. Let's not talk about the price right now.
You like this kind of heavy embroidery stuff?
Why not?
It's for an occasion.
It's for an occasion. I mean, why not? I think.
And I think fashion is also about portraying what you have in mind. It's a form of art.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we don't practice that in India. But fashion is a form of art.
No, we do practice that in India.
Some of
Yeah,
us.
I mean these
do.
Paris-based designers are very snooty, I must say. But we are standing in India. We practice that in India. We're very proud of our designers.
Yes.
Just that they choose to live in Paris.
No, I live here too.
Yeah, we have to make this country much more artist
We should.
friendly.
We should.
कंगना हाल ही में
मनीष, ये ब्लेंडर स्प्राइट के साथ ये आपका पहला मौका है, मुझे कुछ ज्ञान दीजिए.
Actually, I have done a show with them many years ago. I don't remember. But let's say it's almost like the first time. Because
कैसा रहा? मतलब लाइक एसोसिएशन.
what do you think?
मुझे तो लाइक वंडरफुल. वैसे मैंने
Exactly, I feel the same. And I haven't seen the show because I was backstage. But
कंगना हाल ही में करण में आलिया ने कहा था कि कंगना का एयरपोर्ट लुक जो होता है बहुत ही अमेजिंग होता है, बट वो जाति का है, मुझे जानना ही है, तो क्या कमेंट करना चाहिए?
heroine feels stuck.
I think it's very flattering for her to say that, because I feel Alia is one of those people who I reach out to, and I have very beautiful equation with her, and it's very sweet of her to say that she wants to know about my whereabouts. Isn't it? It's just very sweet of her.
it's
And,
nice to be aware of each other in the contemporary world today. This? Oh, a long time. Very long time.
Let's keep it related to event. We'll have to keep it to style questions. What is the next?
well, how much I charge is nobody's business.
Hey,
It's only for me to
let's
know.
talk about the event, please.
Yeah.
That's the last question.
Yeah. बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत बेहतरीन लगा.